This is a Hindostan sharpening stone. It's a very visually interesting version of a Hindostan. It's a nice swirls on the surface. One working surface. I apologize about the noise. The stone is 7 and 9/16 of an inch long. The widest end is 2 and 9/32. This end is 2 and 1/16. The vast majority of the stone is 3/4 of an inch thick, except for this little dip where somebody was honing some sort of fine blade. And at the valley, it's 11/16. So there's 3/4 of an inch pretty much all around, except for here where it's 11/16. And then it rapidly comes out though, so. Flat, chamfered.